Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in medical school first year. Begin by focusing on understanding core concepts rather than rote memorization. Active recall, where you test yourself frequently, is crucial for solidifying knowledge. Implement spaced repetition techniques to review material at increasing intervals, which significantly boosts long-term retention. This approach builds a strong foundation for future learning. Incorporate Anki flashcards into your daily routine for efficient review of the immense volume of information. Start using question banks early and consistently. They are invaluable for understanding exam formats and identifying knowledge gaps. Supplement lectures with high-yield resources like review books or online platforms to reinforce your learning and clarify complex topics. Develop a realistic study schedule, aiming for 8 to 10 hours of focused study each day, but be flexible. Prioritize self-care, ensuring you get adequate sleep and engage in physical activity to maintain your well-being. Collaborating with study groups can offer diverse perspectives, clarify difficult concepts, and provide essential peer support throughout your demanding first year. Consistently review foundational subjects like anatomy and physiology. A strong understanding here is paramount for future clinical courses. Begin practicing clinical reasoning skills early by thinking through patient cases and differential diagnoses. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals, making it easy to read your study materials anywhere. This holistic approach will set you up for success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.